Ever felt trapped by your dialysis schedule, dreaming of a day you could break free and reclaim your health naturally? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into powerful, natural ways to boost your kidney health and maybe even say goodbye to dialysis sooner than you think. Stick around as we uncover some life-changing tips and secrets that could revamp your kidney care routine completely. Being tethered to a machine several times a week, every week, just to do what your kidneys can no longer manage on their own. That's the reality for millions who rely on dialysis, a life-saving yet demanding treatment that comes with its own set of challenges. From fatigue and muscle cramps to the constant scheduling around treatment sessions, dialysis can feel like it's taking over your life. But what if there's another way? A way to support your kidneys naturally through the foods you eat, the way you live, and even the herbs you might not yet have considered? Yes, that's right. Today, we're going to explore how natural remedies and smart lifestyle tweaks can potentially ease the burden on your kidneys and maybe even improve your overall health so significantly dialysis could become a part of your past, not your everyday reality. So let's dive in and discover how you can take control of your kidney health in the most natural way possible. Before we dive into natural remedies, let's first understand the vital roles our kidneys play. Acting as sophisticated filtration systems, our kidneys not only remove waste and excess fluids from our blood, but also help regulate blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and red blood cell production. Simply put, they're crucial for keeping our body in balance and our health in check. But what happens when our kidneys aren't functioning properly? Conditions like chronic kidney disease kick in when our kidneys lose their filtering abilities. What leads us down this path? Well, the culprits can include high blood pressure, diabetes, and chronic inflammation, among others. Each of these factors can cause significant damage over time, wearing down kidney function to a point where dialysis becomes necessary. And why dialysis? It's often the last resort when about 85% to 90% of kidney function is lost and the body can no longer naturally eliminate its toxins. Dialysis mechanically cleanses your blood when your kidneys can't, but it's more of a band-aid than a cure, helping with the symptoms, but not fixing the underlying kidney damage. Switching gears to your diet, your frontline defense in supporting kidney health. A kidney-friendly diet isn't just about limiting fluids or avoiding salt. It's about making strategic choices that decrease the workload on your kidneys, helping them to heal and function more efficiently. First up, let's talk about what to put on your plate. Foods rich in antioxidants and low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus are your best friends. Consider adding cauliflower, blueberries, sea bass, and garlic to your meals. These not only taste great, but are also packed with kidney-boosting nutrients. On the flip side, it's wise to steer clear of bananas, tomatoes, and dairy products, which can stress your kidneys due to their high potassium and phosphorus content. Now, on to hydration, a key player in kidney health. While overloading on fluids can be a concern if your kidneys are compromised, staying adequately hydrated is crucial. The best choice? Plain water. And for a bit of variety, adding slices of lemon or cucumber can enhance flavor without harming your kidneys. Other kidney-friendly options include cranberry juice and clear soups, which can help flush out toxins without overburdening your system. Remember, every sip and every bite counts when it comes to maintaining or improving kidney function. Making these informed diet choices can help manage the progression of kidney disease and potentially reduce your reliance on dialysis. Turning to nature's pharmacy, there are several herbs known for their kidney supportive properties that might just make a significant difference in your health. Let's explore some safe and effective herbs that have been recognized for their ability to support kidney function and potentially decrease your dependence on dialysis. First on our list is dandelion root, a natural diuretic that helps cleanse the kidneys and improve urine flow. Then there's nettle leaf, which not only assists in filtering toxins, but also boosts the creation of red blood cells, enhancing your overall energy levels. Turmeric is another powerhouse thanks to its active ingredient, curcumin, which is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties. This can be particularly beneficial in reducing kidney inflammation and the associated stress on renal function. And we can't forget about ginger, a root that helps with digestion and blood circulation, contributing to better kidney health by minimizing the buildup of toxins in the body. Incorporating these herbs into your diet can aid your kidneys in their essential functions and possibly reduce the frequency of dialysis sessions. You can enjoy these herbs in teas, as supplements, or even use them to spice up your meals. Just remember, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal regimen, especially when dealing with kidney health. Now, let's shift our focus to the broader aspects of your lifestyle that can have a profound impact on your kidney health. Exercise, weight management, and avoiding harmful habits are all key areas that can significantly influence your kidney function. Exercise. Regular physical activity isn't just great for your waistline, it also improves blood flow and lowers blood pressure, both of which are crucial for kidney health. Whether it's a brisk walk, a swim, or a bike ride, integrating moderate exercise into your daily routine can help enhance blood filtration and delay the progression of kidney damage. Weight management. Carrying extra weight forces your kidneys to work harder, filtering more blood, and increasing the risk of kidney disease. By maintaining a healthy weight, you reduce the strain on your kidneys and decrease the risk of developing conditions like hypertension and type 2 diabetes, which are major contributors to kidney issues. Smoking and alcohol. Both smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can wreak havoc on your kidneys. Smoking slows blood flow to important organs like the kidneys, impairing their ability to function properly. Alcohol, on the other hand, can cause changes in the kidneys that make them less able to filter your blood. Quitting smoking and moderating alcohol intake can significantly improve your kidney health and overall well-being. Making these lifestyle changes can be challenging, but they are absolutely vital for keeping your kidneys healthy and reducing your dependence on dialysis. It's about making a commitment to a healthier you, not just for your kidneys, but for your entire body. As we explore every avenue to bolster kidney health, let's not overlook the role of complementary therapies. Practices like acupuncture and yoga are not just for relaxation. They offer tangible health benefits that can be particularly valuable for those managing kidney issues. Acupuncture. This ancient form of Chinese medicine involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body. It's known for its ability to reduce stress and pain, but did you know it can also help improve kidney function? Research suggests that acupuncture can aid in regulating blood pressure and enhancing circulatory health, both of which are vital for reducing kidney workload. Yoga. Then there's yoga, a practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Yoga is renowned for its effectiveness in reducing stress and improving circulation, factors that are crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that regular yoga practice improved kidney function in patients with chronic kidney disease, likely due to its role in lowering stress and enhancing physical fitness. Incorporating these therapies into your routine can provide a holistic boost to your kidney health, potentially easing some of the burdens your kidneys face. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new therapy, especially if you have existing health conditions. As we journey through natural ways to boost kidney health, it's crucial to remember that none of these steps should be taken in isolation. Monitoring your health through regular medical checkups is vital. Your doctor can provide personalized insights into your kidney function and help you understand how well your kidneys are responding to any new treatments or lifestyle changes. Regular medical checkups. Keeping a close watch on your kidney health with routine blood tests and urine analysis can catch potential problems early. These checkups allow your healthcare provider to make timely adjustments to your treatment plan, ensuring that your kidneys receive the support they need. Consulting with healthcare providers. Before embarking on any significant changes, especially those affecting your diet, exercise regimen, or introducing new herbal remedies, it's essential to talk to your healthcare provider. Kidney disease can be complex, and what works for one person might not be suitable for another. Your healthcare provider can help you navigate these changes safely, ensuring that your approach to improving kidney health is both effective and tailored to your specific needs. Embrace these practices not just as a routine, but as a partnership with your healthcare team. Together, you can work towards enhancing your kidney function and potentially reducing your reliance on dialysis. As we wrap up today's journey into natural ways to enhance kidney health, let's recap the key takeaways. Embracing a kidney-friendly diet, incorporating beneficial herbs, engaging in regular exercise, making smart lifestyle choices, exploring complementary therapies like acupuncture and yoga, and maintaining regular checkups can all play a pivotal role in supporting your kidneys. Remember, while dialysis is a critical treatment for many, it doesn't have to be your only option. By taking proactive steps toward improving your kidney health naturally, you can work towards reducing your reliance on dialysis and enhancing your overall quality of life. Curious about more ways to boost your health? Don't miss our next video where we'll dive into the secrets of maintaining a healthy heart. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on essential health tips that could transform your life. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health, naturally.